Hey everyone, my name is Manju and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do hit that subscribe button. Recently I bought a lot of cute stuff from Miniso. So if you don't know what Miniso is, it is a Japanese website wherein you get a lot of unique and cute stuff for affordable prices. So in this video, I'm going to share all that stuff that I bought which are under 200 rupees. So if you want to see what all things that I bought, then keep on watching. So I have all the stuff that I ordered in this box. In order చేసిన 2-3 days కి I got the products. అంటే ఇది ఈ రోజే డెలివర్ అయింది. That's why I didn't open the package yet so that I can film the video and open it on the spot. Let's start with the first product, which is this hairband. I bought 2 hairbands because by default you have to choose 2 headbands. అంటే quantity limit 1 choose చేసుకునే option లేదు. This is in the color grey. You get lot of color options also, but I bought grey color. టు బీ ఆనెస్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సో సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ ఇది మీరు మేకప్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు లేదా స్కిన్ కేర్ అప్పుడు జనరల్గా మీరు హెయిర్ ఫేస్ నుంచి అవాయిడ్ చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు యూ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ హెయిర్ బ్యాండ్. యా దిస్ ఈజ్ రియలీ క్యూట్ వన్. So regarding the prices, I'll mention every product price on the screen and the links you can find in the description. So overall this is a really cute and useful product. Now moving on to the second product, I have this very cute watermelon printed pouch. You can either save your money or earphones or jewelry, everything. This is a very cute pouch and this is also really soft, and we got this for zipper also, and this is really cute and very nice. The next product is this mushroom shaped makeup blender. This is also really soft. So this is basically used to blend your foundation. Ante meer foundation dot ga apply chesi either brush or blender use chestaru. This is more handy blender, so you just need to blend it. That's it. So this is one thing that I bought which is really good. I liked it. I cannot say how it performs because I haven't used this yet. In coming makeup videos I'll use this and I'll let you know how it works. So the next product is this curler. Oh, so tight. Oh, okay. I used to have an eyelash curler but I lost it somewhere. అందుకే నేను ఇంకొకటి ఆర్డర్ చేశాను. This is really good. Pretty sure this performs well also because I've read lot of good reviews about this. I think in this also you have lot of color options. Also in the other products, everything I'm showing you have lot of color options. You can choose whatever color you wish to. Is the next product, which is the makeup brush cleaner. So we tend to use lot of makeup brushes but we forgot to wash it. Got this, which will be very useful for me, I guess. How to open this? Okay. This is the makeup brush cleaner that I bought. In this also, as I said, there are a lot of color options. So basically you need to wet this and apply some detergent. After that you can use your brush to clean it. So for that this is useful. So yeah, this is really nice. So I feel this is some silicone material also. Or something. So yeah, this is the next product. So the next thing that I have is this makeup pouch. Ela pack chesaru ఇది. is the makeup pouch that I bought, which is really cute pink color. So we get lot of storage inside. I wanted a makeup pouch from so long, and I'm happy I bought this one. So this has Miniso Life written on this. It is of a very pretty pink color. Moving on, the next product is this Sea Mist body spray. We don't know how it smells. Let's see. So this is not so good, not so bad. This is okay, and we get lot of other options in this also. నేను రివ్యూస్ చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇది ఆర్డర్ చేశాను. అన్నిటిలో కంటే ఇది బెస్ట్ అని అనిపించి ఇది ఆర్డర్ చేశాను. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ బ్యాడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ రియలీ గుడ్. వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ అవుట్. Next product is, I have only 2 products left. So I bought this nail polish set. I think each is for 90 rupees. If you select 3, we get all 3 for 180 rupees. So this is in the shade matte nude. This is how it looks. So let's see how the blue one looks. This is light blue in the shade 08. I think I'll get one more pack. This is in the shade 06, 08 and 30. So if you are someone who is willing to get nail paints, then you can definitely get this. These are really nice. These two look similar but are not similar, so don't worry. Last product is this. What is this? Miniso mirror with container. This is a portable mirror. So this is also in a pastel blue color. This is how it looks like a box. So if we open it, here we have mirror. This is the container. You can put anything you want to, and we can place this like this. Yes, I think like this. Yeah, like so we can place mirror like this and we can use it. I bought because నేను ప్రతిసారి మేకప్ వీడియో చేసినప్పుడు I have no mirror. దీని మీద చూసి చేసుకుంటున్నాను. So I thought it would be a better option for me to get a mirror. You can also close it very easily. So yeah, this is the last product for this video. I'll provide all the product links in the description below. You can get them all from direct Miniso website, or you can also get them from Amazon. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back again next week. So until then.